Hello students, let's continue with exercise 19.4 sum number 10. See the question. Raja's age is 1/5 of his father's age. After 6 years, his age will be 1/3 of his father's age. How old are they now? Okay. Let age of father be x years. So age of Raja 1/5 of x, that is x by 5. So according to the question, what will be the age of Raja after 6 years? X by 5 plus 6. What will be the age of father after 6 years? X plus 6. So according to the question, the age of Raja after 6 years will be 1/3 the age of his father after 6 years. So if you take the LCM, so 5 by 1, so 6 5 is 30, and it is x plus 6 by 6. Now you cross multiply 5 into x plus 6 equal to 3 into x plus 30, and you can solve this 5x and you will get the equation answer x equal to 30 years. So age of father is equal to 30 years and age of Raja is 30 by 5, that is 6 years. Okay, question number 12. Let's come to question number 12. Rupees 860 is put in a box in form of rupees 20 notes and rupees 10 notes. Okay, so a box contains some rupees 20 notes and some rupees 20 notes, and total worth is rupees 860. There are 8 notes more than of rupees 10 than of rupees 20. Means if the number of rupees 8 notes are rupees 10 notes are 8 more. Okay, so you have to find the number of notes of each kind. Okay, so see, so here they have given, so there is 8 notes more of rupees 10. So we are taking, let the number of rupees 20 notes be x. Okay, so therefore number of rupees 10 notes will be x plus 8. Now 20 into x plus 10 into x plus 8, this whole value is giving 860. This is the equation. 20x plus 10 into x plus 8 is equal to 860. Now you break this bracket. 20x plus 10x plus 80 is equal to 860. So 30x is equal to 860 minus 80, that will give 780. So you cut the 0, x will be 78 by 3, that is 26. Okay, got it? So number of rupees 20 notes is equal to 26 and number of rupees 10 notes is equal to, what was that, x plus 8, means 26 plus 8. Okay, so 26 plus 8 is what, 34. Okay, so this sum we have done. Now let's come to question number 14. Okay, the total weight of 3 fruit boxes is 35.5 kg. If the box of grape weighs 2 kg less than the box of apple and the box of apple weighs 1.5 kg less than the box of orange, find the weight of 3 boxes. So here you see, first they have told that the box of grape weighs 2 kg less than the box of apple and box of apple weighs 1.5 kg less than the box of orange. So let us start with this way. Let the weight of orange boxes be x kg. Therefore weight of box of apple will be what? So box of apple is 1.5 kg less. So let it be x minus 1.5, that is x minus 3 by 2 kg. Now box of grape is 2 kg less than the box of apple, means x minus 3 by 2 minus 2. So this is the weight of apple of oranges, this is the weight of apple of boxes, box of apples, and this is the weight of box of grapes. Now total weight is 35.5 kg. So what we will do, x plus x minus 3 by 2 plus x minus 3 by 2 minus 2, because this is the box of, this is the weight of box of orange, this is the weight of box of apple, and this whole thing is the weight of box of grapes. So total weight is this much. So you solve it. So this is what, 75 1 by 2 is what? 35 1 by 2 is 71 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 2, and this x plus x plus x will give 3x. So on solving we will get x is equal to 13.5 kg. So this 13.5 kg is the weight of the box of orange, and similarly weight of apple is 13.5 minus half, that is 12 kg, and weight of grapes will be 12 minus 2, that is 10 kg. Okay. Let's do one more sum, last sum for today. Question number 15. A man purchased a table and 6 chairs for rupees 36,000. If the cost of each chair is 1/6 of the cost of table, find the cost of table and each chair. See, let the cost of table be x. The cost of each chair is 1/6 of x, that is x by 6. Now total cost is 36,000. So according to the problem, x, that is the cost of table, plus 6 into cost of chair, because he has purchased 6 chairs. So total cost will be 6 into x by 6 is equal to 36,000. So from here we will get a simple equation, x plus x, that is 2x. So 2x is equal to 36,000. So x will be what? 36,000 by 2, that is rupees 18,000. So cost of table is equal to 18,000, and cost of one chair is 18,000 by 6, that is rupees 3,000. Okay students, so this exercise we have completed, and complete the remaining sum. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next live class.